Hi, I'm Russ Faulk, Chief Product Designer and Grillmaster for Kalamazoo Outdoor Gourmet. Today we are at our outdoor kitchen in our production facility in Michigan, and we are going to be doing Cedar-Planked shrimp in the Artisan Fire Pizza Oven. The Artisan Fire Pizza Oven has been designed to make great Neapolitan style pizzas with that perfect charred crust. You can make them in just 2 minutes, but you can do so much more, and that's what I want to show you today. We love to roast meats and vegetables and fish in the oven. It's really great to do things on the boards because you get a broiler effect from the heat, and it's not just steam from below like you might be used to for cedar-planked salmon. So the first step we need to do is put a little bit of char on our boards to release all of those perfumes from the oils inside the cedar. And we're going to do that on our hot grill for just a couple of minutes. Once they get a little bit black and start to smoke, we're going to be able to pull them out and get going. We've got our boards ready to go, and now we're going to season our shrimp with a little barbecue rub we've whipped together. This is going to taste fantastic, especially as the sugars caramelize and meld with that cedar board. So we're just going to season them on both sides here. The rub is just a combination of turbinado sugar, brown sugar, little paprika, garlic, onion, and cayenne, sort of a basic approach, and of course, salt. Okay, so now we're gonna lay these out. And to go with the shrimp, I've got a very special treat, some segments of fresh poblano that I've filled with homemade mac and cheese that was made with fresh tomatoes and a little maple bourbon bacon, as well as Mexican-style street corn. So this is going to be fantastic. So now we're going to slide it into the pizza oven. I've got it on this metal warming rack so that the wood doesn't burst into flames on the hot pizza oven floor, because like I said, that's really made for making fast pizzas. So we just give it a little cushion of air. The Artisan Fire Pizza Oven is gas-fired for convenience, and you get 2 separate burners. We have a lower burner below the cooking deck, and we have the upper burner, which is the big open flame you see in the back. This lets you balance the temperature top and bottom to your liking. Today we're running with the main burner, the back burner, full bore on high, and the bottom burner is on low, again, because we want more of a broiler type heat and not so much heat from below. Just like when you're making pizzas, we want to rotate these boards as we work. Can already see some beautiful browning on our corn and mac and cheese. The shrimp are looking great. We'll put it back in. I'm going to slide these back out and check on them again. The pizza oven exceeds 800 degrees, so things happen pretty fast. The shrimp are looking perfect. Corn is browning nicely. Just going to keep it in there for a little bit longer and then rotate it again. Probably looking pretty good. I don't know if you can hear that, but the corn is popping away. So if you look down in, the trick is to look in the crevices at the edges of the shrimp where we deveined them, and as soon as that becomes opaque, your shrimp are done. We're gonna let these go just a little bit more. All right, these are looking beautiful. We're gonna pull them out. There's one. The shrimp look perfect. You can see that browning. All the sugar is melted. There's the other one. The shrimp and our sides with that wonderful perfume from the cedar. It tastes like nothing else. Getting that broiler effect from the pizza oven is key to really doing this right, getting everything caramelized and roasted and wonderful. All right, let's see how we did. Grab this little shrimp here. You can see how we've infused it from the bottom with the flavor of the board. We've got some little juices left behind, and our barbecue rub is caramelized. Cooked perfectly, delicious. I love that. Let's see about that mac and cheese. A little poblano there for the heat. Little creamy mac and cheese. Hint of bacon. That's amazing.